Hello beautiful guys, welcome to our channel Filmy Session. Today we are reviewing the movie Khuda Hafiz. In this movie, Vidyut Jamwal is in a lead role. Khuda Hafiz movie shows a story of a true love. A person, when he came to know that his wife in a trouble, he crosses the border, reached that particular country and fought all even and odds just to find him and get back their love safely from that country. Before explaining the story of this movie, I would like to tell this movie review is full of spoiler. So those who want to see this movie, they first go and watch it, then see this video. Otherwise, you can stay with this movie review if you love spoiler. So here we go on the story portion. Khuda Hafiz movie started with a scene where Sameer caught by Noman police authorities and a member of an Indian embassy came to meet him and asked him how he reaches there. If we tell all the things, then he can save him from all of this. Sameer, who lives in a city, Lucknow, works as a software engineer in his own firms. He visited with his parents to Nargis home to meet him the first time for an arranged marriage. A sweet conversation between both of them going on. Finally, they accept each other and get ready to marry. The year 2008, popularly known as a recession year, so many people lost their job and as a result, both husband and wife lost their job. In search of getting hope to get a new job, they reach a consultancy who offers a job in a Noman country. They both were applied for a job. Nargis gets the confirmation of job in Noman city, but Sameer not. Unfortunately, she had to go Noman city alone without her husband. The next day, Nargis' phone came and she told that she is in a big trouble and kidnapped by some stranger. In search of Nargis, Sameer takes a flight to Noman and reaches that country. The consultancy person gives him a number and address, but when he asks people, that number and address was a fake one. He reaches the Indian embassy and told everything. Once they confirmed that his wife is missing, then local police of Noman registered a FIR. One day, he reaches a Noman Tel company showroom and he gave a number from where last time call came of his wife. He can get success by finding that person name and address. He boarded on a bus to reach that location. When he reached that location, he asked about Parvez Ali Shirazi. He came to know that 1 week ago he leaves that place already. Sameer disappointed by knowing this. Sameer goes to the place of taxi driver because he is the only person whom he knew in this country. The name of this taxi driver is Usman. He gave him hope. Everything has gone fine. We will search for him. With the help of local friends, Usman came to know that Sameer's wife kidnapped by a person who is operating a large sex racket in Betusaf city. To make Nargis free from that hell, they both were reached in a place where she kept. They meet that person who deals in all of those things. Sameer trying to escape from that place with her wife, but he is not able to succeed. The police authority of Noman arrested him and take him in a custody. Usman, taxi driver, admitted to hospital. A police officer told him that Parvez Ali Shirazi was murdered 2 days ago. Abu, police officer who did an investigation of this case, understand what Sameer said is true and ready to help him and trying to collect all those proof which help them to punish those culprits. One day cops finds a dead body of a burnt girl and takes Sameer with him to identify that girl. Sameer believed that she is not Nargis, but when she saw the pendant in her neck, he believes and cries, his eye filled with tears. He lost that person whom he loves too much. Police authority provides passport and boarding tickets of India and drops on the airport. He sits in the waiting area. Sameer decided not to go to back India without punishing those people who are responsible for Nargis' death. He just wants revenge for that death of her wife. Finally, with a piece of investigation which he do on his basis, he came to know the address of real culprit and reaches to the home of that person and make hostage of them. He tells Sameer that his wife is alive. Sameer shocked by knowing this news. Abu, a police officer who works for police authority, also worked for that wrong person. Sending back Sameer to India is a part of that plan to save the real people who operate that sex racket. With the help of hostage, Sameer came to know that Nargis in a truck from where she is imported to another country. He searched that truck in which Nargis was there and drive it and ran away from that place. The whole police of Noman country started chasing for Sameer. Even authority gave an order to shoot at sight for them. Finally, Sameer was arrested by a police authority. When commander came to know about the truth of Abu, he allowed Sameer to beat him because just of Abu, Nargis faced this type of things. If he told earlier all those things, then Samir can easily find her wife. Commander gives order police authority to kill Abu. Finally, truck opened. Samir met his wife, that is Nargis. With so many up and downs, he finally came to get back his true love safely from that country. Samir greets Usman Bhai, which is a taxi driver, and gave him an invitation to come to India. And finally, they boarded on a plane from Noman to Lucknow. Talking about the star cast, the role of Sameer Chaudhary played by Vidhu Jamal, the role of Nargis played by Shivalika Oberoi, role of Usman taxi driver played by Anu Kapoor, and the role of Abu played by Shiv Pandit. The Meena role played by Ahana Kumara. This movie is directed by Farooq Kabir. Total duration of this movie is 2 hours 15 minutes approx. The movie is available on Disney Plus Hotstar OTT platform. From 14th August onward, you can stream it. So this is all about the movie story of Khuda Hafiz. I'm sure you'll love this. If you like this video, then press like button. For more video like this, subscribe our channel, that is Filmy Session. We'll meet again on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and wish you all of